In this video, we look at a range of track maintenance machines. We start with a range of hand-operated tools.
This portion of the video shows a resleepering gang working on the main south. There is a number of resleepering machines, a spike puller, a sleeper crane and a spot tamper. The spike puller pulls out the spikes. A resleeping machine removes the old sleepers. The sleeper crane positions the new sleepers ready for the resleeping machine. The spot tamper tamps the new sleepers. Later, a production tamper will come through and tamp all of the track.
Tampers are used to correct track levels and alignment. They also consolidate ballast under sleepers, and in the case of steel sleepers, fill the pod with ballast. They come in a range of designs and sizes and may tamp 1, 2 or even 3 sleepers at a time. They normally work in conjunction with ballast regulators and sometimes a shoulder tamper.
The shoulder cleaner cuts out the shoulder ballast and runs it through a sieve to separate out fines, which are discharged beside the track, then reinstates the ballast. Ray will subsequently wash fines from the remaining ballast into the shoulder. Thus, a number of shoulder cleans over several years will result in clean ballast.
The ballast cleaner undercuts the track, feeds the dirty ballast into a series of sieves, feeds the clean ballast back under the track, mixing it with new ballast. The dirt is discharged beside the track or into wagons. track laying machine is probably the most complex track machine you will come across. Managing one is a major logistics exercise where you must ensure that all the materials, rail, sleepers, ballast, fastenings and welding materials is available each day. TLMs can relay up to 1 kilometre of track per day. There is also organising closures, work trains and crews, and even down to ensuring that meals for crews are satisfactory.